Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use ChatGPT to generate code in a few seconds. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Uh, Before we start, make sure to install this extension here, ChatGPT for Google on the Chrome Web Store. Make sure to add it to your Chrome. And once you are over that, this extension actually helps you generate code, uh, even if you are not in ChatGPT itself. So over here, you should go over and ask for a code that you want to generate. So for example, how to create an animated circle. So there. So you just have to wait. As you can see, guys, this is the generated code in seconds. It is very fast, as you can see. And there is also an instruction here. So there are also available various ChatGPT or AI here. So if you are subscribed, you can then go ahead and grant permission. So as you can see there, you can just copy it and paste it to your um, text editor. So there guys, that is actually how you can generate code fast with ChatGPT. So thank you for watching and goodbye.